Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's provide solution, okay, to this question provided. Okay, we have been asked to find, we have given x squared, okay, minus y squared, which equal to 12, okay, and we have conditions where x and y are element of a natural number, to mean that 0 and fractions are not included, and x plus y is greater than x minus y, and we are supposed to find value of x and y. Now, so that here, according to what we have been given, we have x squared minus y squared. Of course, this is a difference of two squares, okay, so that we can say x minus y and x plus y, which equal to 12, right? Then we can find the numbers which can multiply together to get 12, okay. This is the way that we can use. Here we can say 12 equal to, okay, 12 is equal to 12 times 1, or we can say 1 times 12. We can say 6 times 2 and 2 times 6. We can say 3 times 4 and 4, okay, times 3, right? So we can say that this is a case 1, this can be a case 2, okay, a case 1, okay, and then this is a case 2, this is a case 3, and this is a case 4, whereas this is a case 5, and this is a case 6, okay. So that we have 6 cases that we are going to use just for finding this x and y, okay. For case 1, okay, for case 1, okay, so we have x, then minus a y, and x plus a y, which equal to this one, 12 times a 1, right? So we can say that x minus a y equal to a 12, okay, and x plus a y equal to 1. So by solving this system of equation, then by adding here we can get 2x, which equal to a 13, right? So that here our x here will be equal to this one, 2x is equal to, so that here 2x by a 2, okay, and then here 13 over a 2 to get x, which equal to a 13 over a 2, okay. So that here, if you have a 13 over 2, this is of course a fraction, and this is not an element of a natural number. Of course, this one will be rejected, okay, because we have no fraction is included here, okay. So we can move to a case 2, a case 2. Whereas we have x minus y, x plus y, which equal to a 1 times a 12, okay. So we can say x minus y equals 1, okay, and x plus a y equals 12, right? Then by adding here we can get a 2x, okay, then a 2x which is equal to a 13. Right, so that here by 2 and then by a 2. Right, so this is x equals a 13 over a 2, and we know that here we have x minus y. Okay, here we have x minus y, which is equal to less than x plus a y. Okay, and here we have been asked this one satisfies this equation. Okay, but no fraction is included here. Okay, so this is rejected. So for case 3, okay, for case 3 we have we can say here x plus y times x minus y, which equals to 6 times a 2. Okay, we can say x plus y equals 6 and x minus y equals a 2. Okay, then by adding here we get 2x, which equals to 8. Okay, 2x which is 8, which equals to 8. Now here we can say over a 2 by over a 2. Then our x here will be equal to a 4. Right, a 4. Then our y, okay, by replacing here we have x plus a y, which is equals to 6. Then we have a 4 plus a y, which is 6. Then y will be equal to a 6 minus a 4. Then y will be equal to a 2. So we have the coordinates of x, y, which equals to a 4 and a 2. Right? For case 4, here, okay, x plus a y times x minus y will be equal to a 2 times a 6. Right? Then this will be equal to x plus y here will be equal to 2, and x minus y here will be equal to 6. Of course, this one will be rejected because we are supposed to have x plus y, which is greater than to x minus y, whereas this x minus y is greater than to this one. Okay, so that here by adding 2x will be equal to, because this one will be equal to 0, be equal to 8. Right? Then after these 2x, okay, these 2x will be equals to 8, then by a 2, then by a 2. Right? Then here our x here will be equals to a 4. But according to this one must be rejected. Right, then according to case 5, okay, here we will have x plus a y times x minus a y, which is equal to a 4 times a 3. This will be equals to x plus y, which is equals to 4, and x minus y, which is equals to a 3. Then by adding 2x will be equals to a 7. Then by a 2, by a 2. Then our x here will be equals to 7 over a 2. Right? So this is a fraction. According to this one is a fraction, this will be equals to rejected. Right, we can move to case 6. Okay, case 6. Whereas we have x plus y, okay, then x minus y, which is equals to 3 times 4. Right, then our x plus y will be equals to 3, and x minus y, which is equals to 4. Whereas here our x plus y is less than 2x minus y, so that this will be equals to rejected. Now we have a single coordinate, which is our 4, which is equal to 4 and a 2, which is equal to x and y. Right, then we have given that x squared minus y squared, which is equals to 12. Right, then our x here will be equals to 4 squared minus 2 squared, which is equals to a 12 question mark. Then our 16 minus a 4 will be equals question mark a 12. Right, then this is a 12, which is equals to 12. Left hand side will be equals to right hand side. So thank you so much, keep watching, see you the next time. Don't forget to share and subscribe.